Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima Jyoti here. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Okay, so today I have brought up some silk blend sarees. Okay, they will be having some fancy designs. Either it will be borderless or it will be having some small border with some fancy designs. Okay, all of them are silk blend sarees priced at 1200 rupees. Shipping is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges you have to calculate 100 rupees extra to the total product cost plus the total shipping charges. Okay, the material which I am going to show today is silk blend or art silk or semi silk, whichever you can call. Price at 1200 rupees. Shipping is extra. So I will go with the products now. So just a minute, I will align it. So this is the first one. Okay, this one is a borderless saree with fancy butta. It's a steel blue color. Okay, you have the blue and grayish tone together. So this is the body part. Okay, and the pallu, you have a very rich pallu in all the sarees. Okay, so this is how the pallu will be looking, and I will show you the body part now. So this is how the body will be looking. It's just a borderless, a simple a tiny pink color contrasting border given in the saree. Okay, it's a borderless saree with fancy chakra floral putta. Okay, the color is a grayish blue color. It's a steel blue color. Okay, and I will show you the pallu again. So this is the pallu, a very rich pallu. Okay, it's a golden and copper together. Okay, it's a golden pallu actually, but the color, since it gives a grey color together, it gives the copperish tone. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. Okay, so the blouse also has the embossed design. So this is the first one, priced at 1200. All the sarees are priced at 1200, which I am going to show today. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, so please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for all the orders and enquiries. Okay, it's the first one is a steel blue color, has the grey and blue tone together. Okay, so this is the next one. So a beige with purplish pink combination with blue color pallu. Okay, so this is how the design will be there. Okay, it's a sandal color. Okay, you might be having a slight variations. Okay, it's a dark sandal color with pinkish border. Okay, you have a fancy border here, one side border, and the other one you have the regular golden border, and this is the pallu. Okay, it's a blue color, a dark blue, ink blue color, and you have the blouse in the same color. Okay, so this is the next one. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, it's a fancy design. So I will show you the body part again. So this is how the body will be looking. It's a beige with pink border and blue color pallu coming with blue color blouse piece. Okay, so I will move with the next one. COD available for all the products across India. So this is the next one, a dark olive green color. So this is the body part. Okay, it's a dark olive green color, coffee brown shade. Okay, a dark coffee brown shade. So this is the design coming in the saree. Okay, you have a small size golden color border, golden zari border. Okay, and you have the pallu like this, a blue tone giving violet shade. Okay, so this is the blouse piece. Okay, the blouse piece also comes in the violet shade, and this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, so please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I will be posting the pictures also in my page after the live, so you can cross verify the picture colors. Okay, in pictures, in images, we will try to give you the real color as much as possible. Okay, so this is the next one, an yellow color with a brown, light brown, sandalish brown tone. Okay, so this is how the saree will be there. Okay, small embossed design. Okay, it's a mustard yellow with a sandal brown color. Okay, light shade of orangish brown tone. So this is the pallu, a very rich pallu. The quality will be good. And this is the blouse piece. Okay, the same kind of a orangish brown. So this is how the entire saree will be looking. So this is the look of the saree. Okay, it's a mustard yellow with orangish brown tone. So this saree is similar to the previous one which we shown, but the color is a green color. Okay, mehendi green color. So the design will be similar, but the color is different. It's a mehendi green. Very lovely designs. Quality will also be good. So this is the pallu. Price is 1200. All the sarees which I am showing is 1200. Shipping charges extra. So the blouse piece. Shipping is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a mehendi green color with violet color combination. Okay. The pallu will have the violet and ink blue color shade. Okay. The shade will be like that. So this is the next one. So the next one is a maroon color. Okay, a small borderless saree. Okay, a maroon color. This will give you a very rich look when you drape it. Okay, it might look very simple, but it will give you a very elegant look. Okay, this is the pallu, a purple tone. And the blouse piece also a purple tone. Okay, this is the blouse piece. And this is how the saree will be looking. So I am moving with the next one. So a red with green combination, very different combination and very good color shade design. So this is the saree look. Okay, this is how the body part will be there. It's similar to the first saree which I showed. The color is in red with embossed design and also the butta. And this is a pallu, a green color, bottle green shade, and the blouse also comes with a bottle green shade. Okay, so this is how the saree will be there. Okay, a red with green combination, a blood red color. It won't be brighter and all. It will be very nice looking. So the next one is a brown shade with purplish blue color tone. Okay, so this is the body part. So this is how the body will be looking. A very different design coming. with a tissue kind of a golden zari border. And I will show you the pallu. A pallu is also like the tissue, okay? It's not tissue, like the tissue. This is the pallu, okay? So hope you can able to see the design. Okay, it's a kind of a golden tissue work, and the blouse piece is like this, okay? It has the purplish blue tone, okay? So this is how the full saree will be looking. Hope you can able to see the design now, okay? So this is the body part, okay? And this is the pallu and the blouse piece coming like this. So this is the full look of the saree. So moving with the next one. So the next one is a light green. So this is the body part. Again a borderless saree, light green with embossed and butta designs, and the pallu like this. So this is the pallu, a very rich pallu, a golden color pallu, okay, it's not copper. So this is the blouse piece, okay, a reddish blouse piece with embossed designs. So this is the full look of the saree, a green color with red combination. Price at 1200. In description we have mentioned all the details, okay, the fabric detail, the price, rate, WhatsApp number and WhatsApp direct link, everything is mentioned. So the next one is a purple shade, okay. So this is the body part, okay, a purple tone, and I will show you the pallu. Some sarees will have the similar design, but the colors will be different one, okay. So this is the pallu, and the blouse piece is like this, okay. It's a full purple shade, okay. The saree saree pallu is having a golden zari work. So this is the next saree. So this is the full look of the saree. So please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. You can WhatsApp me or you can ping me in my web page. So this is the next one. It's an yellow with blue tone. So this is the yellow color. So this is the design you will be having, okay. These are not bright colors, okay. Some in video that it might show very brighter, but these are all not bright colors, okay. This is the pallu, blue color, and the blouse piece. So this is the full look of the saree. Yellow with blue, a nice color, a nice design. So in this collection, this saree has the silver zari, borderless saree. So light green, you have a flower and the swan, okay. So this is how the saree will be there. It's a light green with silver work, okay. So this is the buttas you will be having in the body part, and the pallu will be a lavenderish purple, okay. So this is the border. This is the pallu, and the blouse piece also the same color, lavenderish purple color. So this is the full look of the saree. So this is the blouse piece. So moving with the next one. So the next one is a pink color, baby pink shade. With embossed designs and butta, borderless again. So a baby pink color, a nice color. And this is a pallu. And the blouse piece, okay. Baby pink with blue combination. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, this is the last saree for today. All the sarees are priced at 1200. Shipping charges is extra 1200 the price. Okay, shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. Okay, how many number of products within a single order is not relevant. Okay, you can place any number of products in a single order, but the COD processing charges 100 rupees is extra per order, not per product. Okay, so these are the collections which I have for today. Please like my page for all the new updates and live videos. Okay, we will be posting the pictures as well after the live is done in some time, so you can cross verify the pictures as well. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. Please ping me with the screenshot so that it will be easy for us to communicate further. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.